Union, 5-bedroom, 2-bath, restored 2-story farmhouse situated on 3.28 acres. Large rooms, new exterior paint, 200 amp electric service. Nicely done kitchen flows into large dining area. There is a newly redone bath with steam shower. Huge living room with propane gas logs. Downstairs master bedroom. Stairway leads to 4 large bedrooms upstairs. Home has large covered side and front porches, large concrete patio with power and awning over one section. Natural spring flows into spring house which is restored and can be used for storage of produce.